Hello everyone, in this video we are going through the study of types of computer memory. The types of computer memory may be magnetic core memory or semiconductor memory. This is an image of semiconductor memory which is nowadays being used in the computer systems. So first we will go through what is magnetic core memory. Magnetic core memory consists of small magnets with wires running through them. You can see here in the image small magnets. These are the small magnets which are running through wires. This is the wire, and these small pieces which you are seeing, these are the magnets. So this is an image of a magnetic core memory, and semiconductor memory is based on magnetic core memory only, but it is more beneficial than magnetic core memory. Electric current flies through the wires, and depending on the direction of the current flow, this type of memory has given way to new technologies such as semiconductor memory, which are nowadays being used. Semiconductor memory. All computers made today use semiconductor elements in their primary storage units. Primary storage units are RAM and ROM. Actually, RAM, it is a primary memory, and it is made up of semiconductor elements. So the two most common forms of semiconductor memory are RAM, that is random access memory, and ROM, read only memory. This is a semiconductor memory, and here you will place your RAM, and it is a primary memory. The data bees on the memory till the system is on. As you switch off your system, the memory gets erased. That's why RAM is a primary storage memory. Whereas in case of ROM, the data or the instructions feeded in it doesn't get erased on switching off the system. This is the slot for RAM, and here you can plug in your pen drives or auxiliary cables, and this is for signal cable. Random access memory, RAM. It's a primary memory. It is that part of primary storage where the data and instructions are held temporarily. Means till the system, your computer system is on, the data will be on it, and when the system is turned off, the data will get erased. RAM is a temporary or primary memory. The RAM chips may be classified as dynamic or static. In the markets, they are available as DDR1, DDR2, and DDR3. So first we will talk about dynamic RAM chips, a transistor that acts like a mechanical on-off switch, a capacitor that is capable of storing electric charge. Means if electric charge cannot be stored, that it cannot input or output the data or instructions. Static RAM chip. It also provides volatile storage, but as long as it is supplied power. When the power is not supplied, that is the system is turned off, the data will get erased. That's why it is called volatile storage. And ROM is a non-volatile storage. Static RAM are more complicated and take up more space than dynamic RAM chips. So therefore you see nowadays the RAM which are coming in market, they may be 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB or 8 GB also. This is an image of RAM chip. You might have seen it in the motherboards connected to it. This is the place for CPU fan, that is so called the SMPS. The two important parts of a computer are First is the motherboard. This is the motherboard. And the second one is SMPS, that you can call as CPU fan also. And it is placed here. SMPS stands for switch mode power supply. And this blank space which you are seeing, this is for semiconductor memory. And these are the north bridge with heat sink. If heating is there in the motherboard, it helps it in cooling. ROM, read-only memory. ROM chips retains the stored data even when the power supply is cut. ROM chips are non-volatile, means when the system is turned off, then also the storage memory will be there. The data or instructions stored on ROM will not get erased. A ROM chip may contain microprogram control instructions. There are three types of ROM available in the market. These are PROM, programmable read-only memory. Second one, EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. And the third one, EEPROM, electrically erasable and programmable read-only memory. In our next video, we will have discussion over the types of ROM, that is PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. It is a non-volatile memory, that is the contents will not get erased when the power supplied is cut off.